I can't predict the market. I don't do any technical analysis. I'm not going to have any market opinion in my trading. That's my lesson. And so I quit. I quit trying to figure out what's going on, and I'm just going to take what I get. The only kind of analysis I do is some statistics. Like statistically, if it's gone up 10 days in a row, statistically it's going to go down before it goes up an 11th day in a row, that kind of stuff. And that helps me a little bit.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah. So, like I said, we have everything on all sides of the spectrum, which only goes to show you that you can be successful either way. It all depends on what your personality is. So,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
fantastic.
Oh, I'm no good at technical analysis anyway, and I don't really believe in it. So those are the reasons why I don't do anything.
Well, I study a lot with Van Tharp, and Van Tharp says basically we don't trade the market, we trade our beliefs about the market. And, if your belief is that technical analysis doesn't work, then you have to trade that way. That's how you're going to do best. So that's
Right.
fantastic.
Right.